Second piece of music. About 3 weeks ago, I went down to a tiny little place outside Athy, County Kildare, for my great aunt's funeral. She was 3 weeks away from her 101st birthday, and she had lived in a house called the Forge, Kilmaroney, in a little townland down there, 96 of her 101 years. And members of my family, the first member of my family to move into that house moved in 1745, I think it was. And they were blacksmiths. There's a forge to the side of it, and there are still members of the family living in the house today. So it was a great, although it was a sad occasion, it was great to meet lots of members of family I hadn't met before, and to see the old forge that's still there with the bellows and the anvil and the forge with the flames and everything. So fantastic, and there's still family living in it. So 2 days later, I was inspired by everything I went through that day to write this piece of music. It's entitled The Old Forge at Kilmaroney, and it's, apart from the intro, the bridge and the outro, which reflects that these were lovely country people that served, they were craftsmen, blacksmiths that did horseshoes for farmers, served the community. It was a real family of faith. The rosary was said in that house, I think, every night for about 200 years. There are pikes in the forge that were forged for the rebellion of 1798. That's how far back it goes. So anyway, this is the old forge of Kilmaroney. The main part of it, I tried to get a rhythm that represents the beating of the blacksmith's hammer on the anvil. So if you can read that into it, thank you.
Woo.
Bye.